Hello everybody, welcome to back Spot Aria channel. And now I will give you a tutorial how to clear Facebook activity history. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? Don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and let's start it. First of all, we go to the Facebook application. After that, you can click the three stripes in the upper of the corner. You can click setting and privacy, and you can see the settings. Click on, scroll down until you meet of Facebook activity here. Click on, and you can see that manage your of Facebook activity. Click on it and click clear history. After that, you can clear history here. After you watch your activity history, it will disconnect from your account. This doesn't currently include Oculus and etc. Clear history here, and your activity has been cleared. This is a tutorial how to clear Facebook activity history. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you and bye.